In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a $200 no deposit bonus that you can get and you can start trading with as well. And when you meet with the requirements, you can be able to withdraw from it. So if you watch this video patiently and carefully to the very end, you also get the terms and conditions to be able to withdraw from this particular bonus. All right, and I will not be taking much of your time. I'll just show you the step-by-step process by which you can use and get the bonus, and also the terms and conditions that is required to be able to withdraw from it. So do well to sit back and watch the video carefully so that you won't miss out on this wonderful opportunity to start your Forex journey without any deposit. But first, before I proceed to showing you the step-by-step process by which you can use to get this bonus, please ensure you like this video, you comment the country where you're watching from, and also you share the video with people that you feel might need it, and most importantly, you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can keep getting updates from me time to time each time I drop videos on how you can make money online in 2025. All right, and if you have done that already, thank you so very much. These are the little things that keeps me motivated and wanting to do more for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive right into how you can get this particular no deposit bonus to your advantage. So this is the message I got from the broker that is offering this $200 no deposit bonus, and I will show you the detailed step by step right in this video. Just watch closely and follow me carefully. So the first thing to do is to check the description. You find the link that will lead you to where you have to register an account with them. All right, so this is where it is going to direct you to, and when you get here, as you can see, this is more details about the no deposit bonus. As you can see showing on the screen, this is also the terms and conditions right here. I will talk more about this later in this particular video. So as you can see, if you scroll down to the end, you see something like this where you have to input your name, last name, your country, phone number, and email address. Then you have to create an account with them. All right, and you can also click on the claim bonus now. So after clicking on the claim bonus, this is exactly where it is going to direct you to, where you have to input your details, your name, everything about you. You just have to input your details, and after inputting everything, then you agree to the terms, and then you click on create an account. So when you register an account to them, you get the message like this, which includes your login credentials into your personal account, not your trading account. This is the login credentials into their website so that you can proceed to getting this particular no deposit bonus. All right, so when you get this kind of information, then you head over to their website to log into your client area so that you can proceed to getting the no deposit bonus account. So after signing into their platform, you might want to switch to desktop mode. Alright, so this is what their platform looks like right here, as you can see showing on the screen. When you register an account to them, this is where it is going to direct you to. Now, to get this bonus, you must be verified first. Alright, so as you can see right here, my email is not verified, and also my profile is here to be verified. So to do this, to verify my account, just click on the verify now showing right here, and you can also click here to see what exactly is missing. Right, so these are the information you need to verify your account. As you can see, you need your ID or passport, so you just have to upload it on their platform, and it takes few minutes for you to get verified, and after verifying your account, you can proceed to getting the no deposit bonus. All right, so after verifying your account, this is where it is going to direct you to, which is their homepage. As you can see, my account is verified successfully, and now to get this particular no deposit bonus, just click on the menu button showing at the top right here, and as you can see, this is the no deposit bonus option showing right here. All right, so you just click on the no deposit bonus showing right here, and it is going to direct you to this place. You just have to wait patiently for it to load. Now, after getting here, as you can see, there's no data yet. So all you have to do is to click on the new challenge showing right here. So when you click on the new challenge, you wait patiently for it to load. So you scroll down a little bit. As you can see, enter the markets with no risk. With no deposit bonus, you can earn your skills and earn $100 in the process. All right, so as you can see, this is just a brief of the terms and conditions of the requirements. So as you can see right here, so you just have to scroll down and click on these details right here. All right, so after clicking on the details, then you scroll down again until you see somewhere like this, and then you click on the buy. All right, so you click on the buy. All right, so you click on the buy, it is going to direct you to the next phase. Like I said, as you can see, order successfully sent. Please wait for further instruction from the administrator. All right, so you just have to wait for some time for the order to be processed, and when it is processed, then you'll be sent the login credentials to your email. All right, containing your login to how you can start trading with this no deposit bonus account. All right, So as you can see, the request is still processing and the no deposit bonus has not started. So as you can see right here, which means I have not been given the bonus. So I just have to wait for some time for the bonus to get credited into my trading account right here. And after getting the bonus, then the details to log into my trading app will be sent to me as well. Right, so once you make it to this particular stage, then you've been able to request for the no deposit bonus successfully, which means you are eligible to get the bonus. Right, you just have to wait for some time for the bonus to get credited for you and you can start trading with it. All right, so talking about the terms and conditions for the $200 no deposit bonus, as you can see, these are the terms and conditions right here. The minimum trading days is 20 days and the maximum time limit is 40 calendar days. And the profit target, as you can see, is 50%, which means the profit target is $100. Right, so the daily drawdown limit is 5% of equity. All right, and the total drawdown limit is 8% of equity. So as you can see, eligible instrument is Forex and metals only, and the maximum leverage is 1:200 and 1 entry per client. All right, so that means you cannot claim this account twice. If you have gotten it before, then you cannot get it again. All right, to be able to withdraw from it, they may give you the account again, but you may not be able to withdraw from it. All right, so these are just the details about the terms and condition, and I hope you're able to get yours, and I also wish you the best in getting this bonus and also withdrawing from it. Right, if you're not able to get the bonus, let me know what is stopping you in the comment section. All right, let me know what's stopping you in the comment section. So for simpler details, these are just the step-by-step process to get the account. Create an account with them, KYC verification, as you can see, select challenge, no deposit challenge, and you get email your bonus account details to you directly. All right, so as you can see, your bonus activation may take up to 48 hours, so just have to wait patiently for you to get credited with the bonus and you can start trading with the no deposit bonus, and you can also withdraw from it once you meet with the terms and condition. All right, thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and also comment the country where you're watching from. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.